Hi, I want to talk about how you can use Demoground to automate your conversion funnel to get more installs for your app. But let's first talk about the problem that you could be facing. So you've launched an app on the Shopify App Store, you've optimized your listing, you're driving ads, and using content marketing or other channels to drive more installs, to drive more traffic to your listing. But the Shopify App Store is a very competitive place, and your prospects might be doing research not just on you, but on your competitors. And um, once they land on your page, look through your screenshots, look through your feature and pricing, they might jump to another competitor. And if they leave and didn't install, then you would not have any idea of who visited your page or uh, why they're leaving. So we thought there we could do something with that once you have a Demoground created a playground. So when we look at a traditional conversion funnel, uh, you have your listing page where um, you have all your info here, and they could go to your demo store, but that's a pretty flat experience. So we thought, what if we connect that with your Demoground playground? So if you go and find and look for Reviewcap on the App Store, that's what we have. So we connected to the View Demo Store to the Demoground experience where, so now I can go in here and I can just type in any Shopify URL and I can just say demo, try to go demo 8 sample.com. And this lets your prospects immediately fill in their Shopify URL and check out your app without any type of installation. So what we're thinking is if we remove all friction and provide them value upfront, um, we can actually capture their email, their Shopify URL, um, and really change the way how this conversion funnel and really open it up, right? Open up the conversion funnel to let you nurture them. And so we if we look at this diagram here, so we have the listing page that can feed into the Demoground playground, um, and even for a request a demo page, uh, traditionally, I mean, if people want to check out your app, you might have a request a demo form, but that's a pretty flat experience. You're not providing any value. You're just asking for your prospects info, and in the end, there's a lot of hesitancy in filling out this form. But if we actually navigate them to a page like this, there's a lot more incentive to put in their store, obviously, because I want to see how my store looks like after installing your app. And also, once you have the email, now you can put it into add it to your list. So we think that this is gonna open up that black box for you and give you your prospect more value up front. So in a sense, this is like a gradual on-ramp before the commit time for a scheduled call, that I'm able to see something, I'm able to play with something. So what we can see here is that the funnel becomes, the playground becomes your top of funnel lead magnet, and you're driving traffic there. People want to check it out because it's their store. So you're traditionally driving, if you have newsletter traffic or email campaigns or ad campaigns or any other um, social media, any channels, you can feed that traffic into this funnel here. And so we go back to the live example here. I just typed in Allbirds and it built up the demo dynamically. And this widget here is what the Reviewcap app would install. So we allow your prospects to drag it in into their product page. And so, and we can also see that at the bottom here, there's the progress bar. So this particular demo has a linear flow where by moving along to the next stage, you're able to see a little bit more of what this app offers. So this is a admin dashboard demo, and then in the end, they arrive at the end, and here we can trigger a call to action to ask them to install your app. That's not being shown here, but I think you get the idea. And because we're tightly integrated with Mantle, if you're a Mantle user, I'm going to bring you into the Mantle dashboard. You can see that traditionally before, if you weren't using Demoground, your user's journey, your prospect's journey would actually start at when they installed. So once they installed, the trial could start, and then the trial could end, and then they become a paid customer. So all those funnel happens at before, all those actions happen after they installed. But with Demoground, we are feeding in data as they're going through the demo. So at this point, they haven't installed yet, but they have created they have used their Shopify URL to create a demo. We can see that in here, I can expand this funnel to see that to really open this chart up to prior to installation. So you can have a relationship before someone actually installs, and you can see that the demo got started, the demo is completed, and then later on they might this traffic might decide to install your app, and you can see a much more complete picture of the conversion funnel. And not only that, I just want to showcase this is a Mantle feature where once they've completed a demo, because we're feeding in the events, from here we can see that this flow starts when the demo is sent. So someone has started a demo. At this point, we already have a customer record inside Mantle because we've pushed that into Mantle automatically for you. And then when the demo is completed, we send another event, and then if 24 hours have passed and they haven't installed, we will automatically perform an action, which is to send an email, very similar to an abandoned cart email. And this is all integrated into Mantle email. So there's a post demo follow-up email where we try to convert them because this has been 24 hours, or you can set it to 48 or whatever time period. We say, and we automatically send an email saying that I noticed that you haven't installed yet and wanted to see if you had any questions or needed help, and we're providing a expiring discount code for them so that this entire process is being automated for you. And as long as you're driving traffic to this funnel, it's automated. And we think that this is going to be very useful for Shopify app developers who are very busy, so that we can set up automations to help you with conversion. Yeah, and I think this is going to be as we build out more and more of Demoground, we will have more features like this to help you automate a lot of your tasks and to get you more installs and generate more revenue. If you want your own playground to build your automated conversion funnel, visit demoground.co and we can help you there. See you next time.